I've bought so many video editing courses, watched countless tutorials, and done so much research that, honestly, if you're just starting video editing, I might have bad news for you.
I don't think you have the facilities for that, big man.
Because I thought it was just cutting clips. Then I discovered the levels. Easy.
Let's go.
Software basics, importing, organizing, cutting, trimming, transitions, text, captions, and exporting. Okay, manageable. Medium, pacing, rhythm, storytelling, B-roll, shot composition, continuity, audio editing, music, sound effects, typography, color correction, and basic grading. Okay, hard.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
Advanced storytelling, retention, cinematic editing, advanced color grading, sound design, keyframes, motion graphics, animation, masking, tracking, compositing, and visual effects. Alright, why is this getting worse? Legend. Documentary editing, narrative structure, editing psychology, advanced motion design, advanced VFX, complex compositing, cinematic language, professional workflows, codecs, color management, and platform-specific editing. And then there's God level. Editorial judgment, emotional pacing, visual storytelling, information control, rhythm, subtext, continuity, audience psychology, knowing exactly when to cut, when not to cut, what to show, what to hide, and what to make the audience feel. At this point, you started wanting to edit a YouTube video and somehow ended up studying film theory. But that's reality.